Okay, so we had two problems today, one for each objective that we had today. Our first objective was to be able to convert from standard form to slope-intercept form. And our first problem is right here. We have a problem in standard form, and we want to convert it to slope-intercept. So again, remember, standard form is ax plus by is equal to c, and we can see that this guy right here, again, is in standard form, and we want to change it into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So what we're going to have to do is solve for y, and let's do that right now to the music of the Edna Karr Marching Band. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 6 from both sides. Let me just write the original equation right now. 8y equals 32. We're going to subtract 6x from both sides. So I get negative 8y is equal to negative 6x plus 32. I'm going to divide by negative 8 on both sides. And finally, I get y is equal to 6/8 x minus 4. Remember, positive divided by a negative is going to give you a negative. So our answer is y equals 6/8 x minus 4. I saw some people reduced 6/8 to 3/4, and that's totally fine. So that is our first exit ticket question. Our second exit ticket question was about horizontal and vertical lines. I asked us to find the equation of the line that passes through 2, 5 and 3, 5. So before we use any shortcuts, let's actually just do it the way we've learned. So first thing we have to do is find out m. M, of course, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's going to be, let's see, this is y2, this is y1, so that's going to be 5 minus 5 over x2 minus x1, that's 3 minus 2. That's going to give us 0 over 1. We know that whenever 0 is divided by anything, that's just going to equal 0. Alright, so our slope is 0. So let me just divide this up. So I'm going to move up here and plug that into our y equals mx plus b equation. So we have y equals 0x plus b. Again, we're going to plug one of these original points in. I'm going to choose 3, 5 just for the heck of it. So 5 is our y. So 5 equals 0 times 3 plus b. That's going to give me 5 equals b, because 0 times 3 is 0. So I know 5 equals b, so I get y equals 0x plus 5, which is the same thing as saying y equals 5, because 0x is just going to disappear. So y equals 5 is our answer, and that's going to be a horizontal line. Horizontal. And if you want to think about it, if you just look at a coordinate plane, let's say we have one right here, and draw a line where the y is constant, where the y is always equal to 5, we'd see that it would never go up, because if it went up, that would mean the y changes and the y is not constant. So if y is equal to 5, that means only the x is changing. Remember, our slope is 0, so it's flat, it's not slanted, so we know it's a horizontal line. We can compare that to a vertical line, which would look something like this, where the x is constant, because any point on this line, the x is going to be the same, but the y is going to change. So for a vertical line, our equation of our line would look something like x equals something. So that's how we do our exit ticket. So most people just had trouble on the second part, the vertical and horizontal. So our extension question for today is just about that. Again, I want you to find the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points, 3, 2 and 3, 6, and tell me whether it's vertical or horizontal, whether that line is vertical or horizontal. Okay, see you tomorrow.